लर्न इंग्लिश.
मराठीतून भाग 4. हे स्पष्ट आहे.
It is obvious. It is obvious.
उद्या भेटूया.
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
त्याला काही अर्थ आहे का?
Does that make sense? Does that make sense?
ते पुरेसे आहे.
That is enough. That is enough.
तुला कळतंय मी काय म्हणतो?
Do you understand what I mean? Do you understand what I mean?
येथे बरेच विद्यार्थी आहेत.
There are too many students here. There are too many students here.
असेच चांगले कार्य करा.
Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work.
त्याबद्दल विचार करा.
Think about it. Think about it.
तुम्हाला ते जवळजवळ मिळाले आहे.
You have almost got it. You have almost got it.
तू काय म्हणालास?
What did you say? What did you say?
तू खूप छान करत आहे.
You are doing great. You are doing great.
काय चालू आहे?
What is going on? What is going on?
मला माफ करा, पण हे स्वीकारण्यायोग्य नाही.
I am sorry, but this is not acceptable. I am sorry, but this is not acceptable.
मला चिडवू नका.
Don't tease me. Don't tease me.
जशी तुमची इच्छा.
As you wish. As you wish.
शक्य तितक्या लवकर कर.
Do it as soon as possible. Do it as soon as possible.
पंखा चालू कर.
Turn on fan. Turn on fan.
उत्साही होऊ नका.
Don't get excited. Don't get excited.
हा रंग मला सर्वाधिक आवडतो.
This color I like the most. This color I like the most.
मला फक्त थोडे द्या.
Give me just a little. Give me just a little.
आत्ताच काही दिवसांपूर्वी.
Recently, some days back. Recently, some days back.
हे तुझे कर्तव्य आहे.
It is your duty. It is your duty.
कुठे दुखत आहे?
Where does it hurt? Where does it hurt?
मी ते आत्ताच चाखले आहे.
I have tasted it already. I have tasted it already.
मी ते करू शकतो.
I can do it. I can do it.
मला ते करू द्या.
Let me do it. Let me do it.
तुला खूप उशीर झाला आहे.
You are too late. You are Too late.
माझे पोट दुखत आहे.
My stomach is aching. My stomach is aching.
आपण कोठे जात आहात?
Where are you heading to? Where are you heading to?
माझ्या मागे या.
Follow me. Follow me.
कोणीतरी जात आहे.
Someone is going. Someone is going.
तुला यायला हवे.
You should come. You should come.
आम्ही कसे तरी तेथे पोहोचलो.
We somehow reached there. We somehow reached there.
तू योग्यच. मी कबूल केलेच पाहिजे.
You are right. I must admit. You are right. I must admit.
काही चुकतंय काय?
Is something wrong? Is something wrong?
तुझे काम संपव.
Finish your work. Finish your work.
तू माझा मित्र आहेस.
You are my friend. You are my friend.
तुझे हात स्वच्छ कर.
Clean your hands. Clean your hands.
धन्यवाद.
Thank you.